Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm going to show you a little tip, what I like to do with extra pieces of paper and that kind of thing. So I have a mat here that is a non-stick mat. Now you can use wax paper, parchment paper, you know, that kind of thing. That kind of thing. I got this glitter that I was saving. I like to do everything. So what I like to do is I take a little bit of my Mod Podge mat, and I'll just use a fluffier brush, and I will start like this. And I don't worry if the pieces aren't, you know, it depends on what you want. I'll just build like this. I'm not going to worry about, I like to cut when I'm done. And then you just keep rolling and you stick it down. You know, this is a little thicker of a girl, so kind of like me. Although a little thicker isn't exactly the word I would use for me. And then I just keep building like a puzzle I am building. Don't ask. Okay, trying to keep my spirits up today, so I'm singing. And you'll see. I know it's like, what? What are you doing, Cal? Oh, I'm just sticking it down. And I just keep laying it and laying it. You know, and there's different ways you can do it. You can do it like a puzzle or just lay it, you know, lay it down and do it that way. I just keep kind of going and sticking pieces to each other. Get on there, baby. Get on there. Stick it. Stick it, stick it. And I think you're picking up what I'm putting down. And then I'll show you once it's dry when I come back what the fun that this is once it's dry and what you can do with it. So all I'm going to do, I'm not going to keep you watching me stick things down, because who the heck wants to do that? I'm just going to keep adding a little bit more till I have, you know, we'll do approximately an ATC kind of vibe going. And then when I come back, it'll be dry and I'll show you what I do from there. Okie dokie. So I sprinkled a little glitter and that kind of thing, and I put another coat of the Mod Podge mat. And then what I'm going to do, I don't know why it's so dark in here. It's really driving me bananas because I have both lights on. Let's see. I don't know what the heck is happening. So you can see like there's some spots here that are a little bit white where I put a little thick, and it will eventually dry, but I don't care. Now, what I like to do is I will peel it up, and if you can't just use your nail to scrape this up, I lift this up, you know, whatever paper you're using, and just kind of give it a little bend, and it'll lift up very easily. And then slowly work it. Oh my gosh, would you just go lay down here, please? Thank you. Let's work it. And if it's not all the way dry, I suggest leaving this dry overnight. Did I? No. But you can see it's still working. And you can see a little wet a little bit here and there, but I don't care because look at me go. Look at me go, mother trucker. Okay, so look what we have. This is the magic of Mod Podge. Mod Podge mat. You can use regular Mod Podge gloss if you have it or whatever, but it is like delightful. It's like you have it on vinyl now. Now, what do you do with such a thing? And why did you leave those little empties in there, Cal? Well, I'm going to just show you real quick. I was going to, oh, here it is. I was like, what do I do with it? So let's say we're doing an art journal page or an ATC or something to that extent. Okay. If I go and I put down, let's just pretend this is a color, like orange or whatever. When I go to put this on, you're going to see those colors through. Can you with this camera today? I don't know. Look, see? So you'll see it come through these little spots. So let me do, while we're here, let's do blue for now, just because. And then I'll talk to you while this dries for a second about something else you can do, because I have all kinds of things that I do because I have this crazy, insane thought process of things. Now, am I the first one to do this? Probably not. Could I have maybe done this 6 years ago on my channel? Who the heck knows? Maybe. But this is what I do with sometimes I do things and I don't make videos with them. I don't know why. But I thought today I'm gonna give you guys some, because I don't like to waste. I do not like to waste. Sometimes I'll do videos and throw away little pieces or pieces of whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I throw away. Oh, oh, girl. When you take those pain pills for the RA and the fibro and everything else that makes you crazy, that makes you loopy, that makes you crazy, that makes you loopy, makes you crazy. All right. One of them days. You know what I'm saying? One of them days. Okay, so this is mostly dry. You're gonna pick up what I'm putting down. Boy, girl, come on now. All right. So you can see, if let's say you wanted to put these pieces upside down because you wanted it flat, you could put them upside down, and then when you peel up, you'll have the colors facing you. Like, look how delightful. Look at that. If you wanted. I didn't. But what I did want is to show you. Now look. You see how that color comes through? So then what you would do is just glue this down. Use your Mod Podge, and glue this down to wherever you want it. And once it's glued down, you just cut these pieces off, and then you have your background. Now you can make these into sheets. Say what? Yes, sheets. And just keep going. Even like, let's say right now we're done and we're like, oh, you know what? I want to have pieces left over. So you just, I use this middle, but I have these pieces. So just put down your glue again and start piecing it in again. And then just keep adding more and more and more. I have tons of pieces, and you can make sheets. So then you can use them as backgrounds on, like I said, art journal page, canvas, whatever. So you're making your own, like, kind of quote unquote scrapbook sheets with your leftovers, because I don't like to waste. I like to use everything I have. I don't have a lot of money, so I just like to do things like this. And like I said, I don't think you can see on here right now because I can't myself. Now you can see the green still got that gold glitter to it. The Mod Podge did not affect that, and believe me, that's on there. But I did put some glitter down, but like I said, I don't know exactly where. What I should have done was maybe put some glitter in some of the clear spots, but who cares? I didn't. Maybe the next ones. So how great is this? Look, and you just leave it dry. Now, let's just say I don't have Mod Podge mat, and I don't understand. You should. If you don't, you can do the same thing with your clear tape, packing tape. You can get that at the dollar store, and just lay your pieces down. I'm going to choke. Excuse me. Lay your pieces down, and then lay your tape over it, right? So you got the tape. Now, you can be very anal about it or OCD about it, because I don't want to get copywritten or whatever the heck they're doing, striked. You can put them like not on top of each other. So you set it next to each other, right? So you don't get the ridges. If you are like me and you're like, girl, I'm just putting it down, you get those little ridges. It doesn't matter. And then, like I said, this becomes a background or an art piece. You can cut it into shapes, a heart. You can put it in your die cut machine. Say what? Die cut machine. and cut out pieces of whatever you want. Um, I'm done serenading you. So that's what you can do. So many different things, uh, and so much fun. And like I said, I hate wasting sometimes like this gold and black, for instance. I love this. And you can see you get like a twofer with that because this side's silver, this side's gold. What? We're in the holiday season. I got silver and gold. And like the look at that, how awesome that looks. With the glue, it made it very like see-through. This too, like I don't want to throw that away. It just makes everything look so nice. So let me know what you guys think about this. Leave me a comment, please. Let me know if you've tried this, or if you do it, please tag me. I'm everywhere on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. All my links are down below, Twitter. And yeah, we'll be using this in a future project. So Mod Podge for the win again. I love you guys, and as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Check out my Etsy. My link is down below, and my Patreon if you're interested. And yeah, just share me around because I really appreciate all your love and support. I love you guys with all my heart. I am so blessed. And I have a lot of new exciting stuff coming up in the new year. So I hope you're excited to join me on my mission and the, whatever we do, whatever we're going forward. That's where we're going. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye.